Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to solve part sum 3 problem. This is the day 8 of August Lit Code challenge. So first don't scare by seeing the problem. It's a very easy problem to solve. Uh, what is part sum is we are given a binary tree. This is a binary tree and we are given a sum which is 8. So now what we should do is in this binary tree we should check for any edge in the sense. Suppose let us see in this binary tree, the edges are 1 minute. Let me highlight the part. So see in this binary tree, let's see what are the edges. What are the edges in the sense? For suppose, let's see here the edges are 10, 5, 3, 3. This is one side, and 10 minus 3, 11. This is one side for root node 10. Uh, I think you may not understand properly. Let me explain clearly. For node 10, there is one left side edge and there is one right side edge. So in left side edge, the values present in the left side edge are 5, 3 and 3. For right side edge, the value present in the are minus 3 and 11. So given problem statement is we are given a sum 8. We should check if there is an edge if there is any edge present on the binary tree, such as its sum of values gives rise to 8. So how do we solve this problem? It's very simple. Just see it. In this node, we have three. In this binary tree, we have three possibilities. That is from 5 to 3. 5 plus 3. See this. 5 plus 3, there is one possibility, and 5 plus 2 plus 1. This is one possibility, and minus 3 comma 11. This is another possibility. So there are three possibilities in this binary tree. So we should return the value 3. So how to solve this kind of problem means it's pretty simple logic. Just follow me. First, take the root node 10. After that, uh, go to left side. Then the node value will be 5. Now compare now what is the sum? Update the sum to 10 plus 5, 15. Now what will be the value of sum? 15 is not equal to 8. So and now go down further. The value is 3. Now 10 plus 15 is sorry, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 is not equal to 8. So go down further. What is the value? Value is 3. um, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 3 21. 21 is not equal to 8. So what we should do, we should backtrack and we should go to root node, that is 10, and now go to the right side. So what is the value? Minus 3. 10 minus 3, 7. uh, it is not equal to 8. So now go down further. 7 plus 11 is equal to 18. 18 is not equal to 8. So we have not found the value. We have not found the value 8 in this edge. We can call it as edge in this edge, which is 3, 3, 5, 10 minus 3, 11. We have not found the sum 8 with the nodes present in this edge. So after finishing the case, what we should do, we should go down further, but means we should make this as root node. That is, we should make 5 as root node, and we should check whether sum 8 is possible in this tree. Forget about 10. Now we are looking about 5. Let us assume this as a tree, this part as a tree. So now we are checking with this one. Now see, 5 plus 3, 8. 8 is equal to 8. So we have found 5 comma 3 as one edge, which whose sum is 8. Now go down further. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 is not equal to 8. So now backtrack. So again come to node 5. No, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So we have found that sum is 8. So the value is 8. Again backtrack. Again back and come to 10. We have already completed process the 10. So again come to minus 3. Minus 3 plus. So now let us look at this 3. So minus 3 plus 11 is equal to 8. So we have found three values. So now In the similar way, we should check for this tree and this tree. In this tree, this is, look at this small tree 3 3 minus 2. In this 3 3 minus 2, the sum of edges is 3 plus 3 and 3 plus minus 2, which is not equal to 8. In look at this small tree 2 comma 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, which is not equal to 8. So I have directly gone to this small tree that is present on the right side of the root node. So it's a very simple logic. So now let us look at the problem statement. When the how I'm maintaining two variables, that is count variable and the current variable. Our current variable basically stores the value, some value of the edge. So here I have two solve functions, because these solve functions solve the value of the sum of edges of the present root node. This solve function solves the sum of edges for the first node, that is the head pointer. Now let us look at the code. What I am doing is, first I am looking at the value root, that is 10. Now I am checking all these possible solutions, that is I am checking this one, I am checking this path, that is 10 5 3 3. I am checking this path 10 5 3 minus 2. I am checking this path 10 5 2 minus 2 1. And then I am also checking this path 10 minus 3 11. In all these paths I have not found any some value 3. So now I am going to root dot left. See here, I am going to root dot left. In root dot left, whatever the node we will encounter, we encounter node 5. So for 5 also, check all the paths from root node to leaf node. All the paths mean, in the sense, 5 3 3, 5 3 minus 2, 5 2 1. While checking, we should compare edges in the way like, first we should compare 5 plus 3, then we should compare 5 plus 3 plus 3. Uh, it is not equal, then we should backtrack and we should compare 5 plus 3 plus minus 2. It is not equal to 8. Then we should backtrack and we should compare 5 plus 2 plus 1. It is equal to 8. In such a way that uh, this solve to function works. This is the way where what solve to function works. Solve function just passes every node of the binary tree, and solve to function checks whether the value of, whether the sum of the edges is equal to 8 or not. So this is a very simple code. Now I am running this code. See, my code got accepted. So I'm attaching this code in my comments. So please check with my comments. Thank you.